Bad foods for brain function. Hi guys, welcome to Healthy Bodies. In today's video we look at bad foods for brain function. Now, your brain is one of the most important organs in the body since it controls everything. It keeps your heart beating, lungs breathing, and basically everything functioning correctly. However, some foods that we eat can have a negative effect on the brain, impacting your memory, mood, and increasing your risk of dementia. So in this video we will look at 7 worst foods for your brain. Sugar drinks. Sugar drinks include beverages such as soda, sports drinks, energy drinks, and fruit juice. And an excessive amount of sugar drinks increases the chances of developing type 2 diabetes. And this has been shown to increase the risk of Alzheimer's disease. And furthermore, higher sugar levels in the blood can increase the risk of dementia even in people without diabetes. Foods containing sodium. People who eat a high sodium diet are at an increased risk of developing dementia or Alzheimer's disease. And foods such as ham and bacon can have a high sodium content, and that's because salt is used to cure and flavour the meat. And pizza is another bad food because many of the ingredients such as cheese, the sauce, the dough and processed meat all contain significant amounts of sodium. Fish containing mercury. Mercury is a heavy metal contaminant that can be stored for a long time in animal tissues. And in particular, predatory fish that live a long time are particularly susceptible to accumulating mercury. And after a person ingests mercury, it spreads all around their body, concentrating in the brain, liver and kidneys. And the effects of mercury toxicity include disruption of the central nervous system and stimulation of neurotoxins, all of which result in damage to the brain. Now, most fish are okay and healthy to eat. However, predatory fish such as king mackerel, marlin, shark, swordfish and even the big-eyed tuna should all be avoided. Refined carbs. Refined carbohydrates include sugar and high-processed grains such as white flour. And these types of carbs generally have a high glycemic index, and this means your body digests them quickly, causing a spike in your blood sugar and insulin levels. And these foods can impair brain function and memory. Highly processed foods. Highly processed foods tend to be high in sugar, added fats and salt. And they include foods such as chips, instant noodles, microwave popcorn, store-bought sauces, sweets and ready-made meals. And a diet high in unhealthy ingredients can result in lower levels of sugar metabolism in the brain and a decrease in brain tissue. And these are all believed to contribute to Alzheimer's disease. Red meat. Red meat contains iron, which in moderation is good for us. However, too much iron can promote oxidative damage, which can lead to cell deterioration and damage in the brain. Alcohol. Whilst a little alcohol from time to time is fine, excessive consumption can have serious effects on the brain. Chronic alcohol use results in a reduction in brain volume, metabolic changes and disruption of neurotransmitters, which are chemicals the brain uses to communicate. And there you go, that's 7 foods that can affect brain function. Now guys, one of the best things you can do if you want to keep your brain healthy is really just to follow a diet that's rich in healthy, fresh, whole foods. So we hope you found this information useful. Until next time, goodbye.